Hi, and welcome back to Express.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to order a hinge. All right, first off, you're going to want to go over here to this side of the website where it says cabinet hinges and lift systems. Go ahead and click that, and that will give you a wide variety of all the different hinges that we have here at Woodworker Express. Now, this one's pretty exciting, this decorative cabinet hinges. This is a whole new category for us, and it's actually really cool. It's got a lot of fun different type of hinges that are more for like a decorative look, more for like a furniture look, nothing like soft close or anything like that. But today we're going to be just showing you how to order your standard soft close concealed cabinet door hinge. Now once you click on the concealed cabinet hinges, you're going to have quite a few different options of your hinges. Now we're just going to use one of our most common hinge, and that's going to be the concealed European cabinet hinge, also known as the long arm. So as you see here, you're going to have all of your variety of hinges along with your base plates that you need to connect these with. So let's just narrow our results. We're going to go with Bloom, and let's say we want a soft close like this one here, full overlay, clip top, soft close, screw on. So screw on means right here, you're going to screw those onto your cabinet door. The 110 degree is how far the door will open when you close it. So let's say closed, and then when you open it, that gives you 90 straight. And then when you go a little bit further, that's going to give you your 110 degree opening. These have the Bloom motion, which is inside the cup of the hinge right here, and you can turn them on and off with a little switch that's on there in case you want to fine tune your soft close. Let's say you have a door that has 3 hinges on it, maybe it's a bigger door but it's still light, so therefore you can kind of turn one off, see how it closes. If it closes too slow, you can turn the second one off, or if it closes too fast, you can turn all 3 on and slow that down. So now these are the screw on, and if you do need the screws, you're going to want to use number 6 by 5/8 of an inch screws for this hinge. But let's say we're doing a full overlay, and so we're going to start with our full overlay hinge. You're going to go ahead and just add that one to your cart. And then what's really nice too on our site is it has a little pop-up that'll tell you, some options of what you may also like or what can go with this. These, we don't want these because I'm going to show you the one that I would choose with this hinge. So now we're just going to go back to the page with our hinge mounting plates, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. So now I can narrow the results again with just the Bloom showing. Since obviously I have a Bloom hinge, I'm going to want a Bloom mounting plate because these are not universal. So now with the base plates, you have a few different options. So we want a full overlay, which is roughly 18 millimeter, 3/4 of an inch overlay. You're going to want a 0 millimeter base plate. So therefore you can do one that's designed for face frames. I also use this for frameless. It just makes things easier when you're lining up the cabinet and screwing those in. It's got the tabs built in here, so basically you could put them in place. All you have to do is figure out your up and down, but your front to back is already determined thanks to these tabs, and it just makes life a lot easier. But your typical run-of-the-mill frameless cabinet will want these right here, your 0 millimeter clip cruciform mounting plate. This is nice. It's got the adjustment screw on it to bring the door up and down. All the other movements for your hinge to adjust is on the actual hinge. So now this one, you just have to follow the diagrams of how far back to set that first screw, and that's going to be 68 millimeters as you see here. So that's pretty much all there is to it for these hinges. So you're going to want to go ahead and add that one to cart. And now we have both of those hinges and plates in our cart, and we are ready to check out.